Well, hello, good morning. I'm out taking a walk down south. Um, the weather is cool right now, and look at all the trees. It rained 2 days ago, but for the most part, it was pretty warm here. Um, just getting some fitness in for a walk. It's beautiful seeing all the butterflies here. The bees, had a ladybug in my room, saw some giant water bugs here, and a bunch of different spiders I've never ever seen. But other than that, it's been nice reuniting with family um, here for my cousin's funeral in Texas. And get away. Sometimes we have to make time to. Ah, what is that? There's something flying. I'm not used to these bugs. Bugs and spiders, all type of things flying out. They're coming at you. And I don't know. I'm not familiar with them. So, but I know one thing for sure. I got bit on my neck, my arms, my back, my legs. Man, I'm like, are they gonna eat me alive? I did take some odorless garlic, but it didn't even work out here. I usually like to take odorless garlic when I'm going camping, but it's different here down south. So let's see here. I'm just walking right now, enjoying the coolness and nature. So down this different road, all the pine trees, all different type of trees here. And here comes some truck. Of course, there's no sidewalk, so you have to be aware and cautious of the different places. I'm watching myself, but enjoying the scenery. Now, I'm going to turn the camera here so you can take a look at the trees with me. Okay, so this is what's behind me, and that's the road that I'm walking on backwards here. Let me turn it back around so you can see some scenery. A lot of trees. Wow. So, if you can, get out today and get a little fitness in. Take a walk. Stay hydrated. Eat some healthy food. Colors of the rainbow. We have to stretch too. And make sure we keep prayer, meditation. But number one is God and family in our life. Because without God and family, we are nothing. Okay, so I'm going to be ending this in a moment because I'm almost at the end of the road. Just looking around at the autumn decorations, pumpkins, and almost everyone's porch. Sometimes we have to just take a breather. Get out. Stretch. Walk. Jump. Run. I don't care. You can skip or hop if you want to. I see this little autumn decoration. Let's see. Yeah, behind me. Okay, so I'm almost at the main road. So I want everyone to have a beautiful day. I love you, but I got to go. Oh. I love you, but I got to go. Bye. Have a good day. Spend some time in nature.